Welcome back to the channel. Now, refinance, I said it before and I'll say it again, is a low-key 100x gem. We're going to look back on this and say, oh my gosh, how did I miss out on this project? It's a DeFi project. I went through the ins and outs on this before, that I believe has been severely overlooked. Now, at the moment, we could kind of understand why, because it hasn't really, it's taken off for the year. It was doing quite well, and of course, when the market did start to sell off, this coin was also severely affected by these market moves. As you can see, for the months, down 34%, 14 days, 26.2%, slowly creeping back to the upside, but overall a massive down month for REEF. And to be honest with you, because like I said, this is low key and you probably may not own any, this is actually a great time to look at some positions on REEF, and I'm going to go into that shortly, and also some of the roadmap as well. Very important to look at some of the fundamentals. But before I do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. And as always, if you want those, if you want to join the Telegram group, Telegram group, to stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, and much more, click the link in my description and join the Telegram group right now to stay up to date. And of course, if you want those juicy under the radar cryptocurrency gems, you can join Crypto Crew Premium today using the link in my description. And last but not least, we're rolling out our $500 to 1 Bitcoin flip challenge imminently, with a massive Wednesday webinar happening, where we're going to go through platform setup and walkthrough. So make sure you join us. Again, join the Telegram group to find out more, or send us an email, link in the description. So let's talk about REEF again. So the last video we did, to be honest with you, I didn't think it would go any lower than this area, but of course the market just did not pick up in June. We saw the market pretty much down all month, as of course we're approaching the last few days of the month itself and moving into July. We didn't see price bottom out. We saw price go lower, but we do believe we found a bottom now. And as you can see, price is almost forming a inverse double bottom pattern here, and we should see price start to move to the upside, hopefully at the start of July. Right now, what else do we need to see? Now, to be honest with you, as this is a fairly new project, all the onus is on the fundamental data and the overall value of the project. And we do believe this project has a lot of value, which we went in before. So looking at this purely from a price action perspective and trying to map out, price action purely based on this is probably not the best idea, because of course, you could end up making a few, maybe let's say you make 100-200%, but you miss out on that long-term growth that we are definitely expecting on refinance. Now, let's just go all the way back. As you can see, they have been completing step by step, and you can actually see this live roadmap on the website, probably links in the description as well, and essentially you could see all the stuff they're up to and what they're actually completing month by month. So as you can see, 2021, they've been Q1, they really did get a lot done, and as you can see, going into Q2, so much being done. And as you can see, the next few things that need to be done are the REEF basket dynamic, fiat gateways integration, REEF debit card, etc. So as you can see, guys, there is a lot going on, and this will actually keep you updated with what's actually happening. So here, as you can see, legal delay. So this is good. You can also look at comments. As you can see, this is moved to Q3 due to legal process delays, which is awesome. And how many projects that you're currently following are keeping you this up to date with what's going on, right? This allows you to make a more informed decision. It allows you to follow the journey, and it allows you to actually understand, even if you don't know the in-depth details about the project. It gives you a nice overview of what to look out for and what to expect in the future. So the team are doing a massive job, and yeah, we're super excited to see how this looks in the future. But for now, let's just wait until we see a close back above this support area. Like I said, didn't believe we were going to break this support, but let's wait for a close back above support. If I didn't own any, I would definitely be buying right this second. But of course, for further confirmation, I'd wait for a break, and then hopefully we see that parabolic move all the way back to the upside. And of course, for price, just to go back to his all-time high for the year, that's 280%. So even from a day trade perspective or a trading perspective, the risk to reward on this is absolutely phenomenal, right? Absolutely incredible risk to reward. So let's just have a look at that. Risk to reward, if we're going to take a trade on this, scroll up, go down. Let's have a look. And let's say we were going to put our stop loss right below. So as you can see, the risk to reward is absolutely phenomenal. Risk 19.74% for a potential 276% gain. Absolutely phenomenal. And of course, the risk can be reduced via the lot size, etc. But this is what you call a home run in the business. And as I said, this is a low-key 100x gem, and I'm looking forward to seeing price action over the next few years. But with that being said, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. Right now is the time to be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. And I don't believe there's been any greed on this market so far. I believe it's completely, fairly, people are, still unfamiliar with a lot of projects on the Polkadot blockchain ecosystem. And, as Polkadot, begins to really solidify its name in the industry and people start to really catch up, all these projects are really going to just take off. So I'm super excited about that. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it there for now. And with that being said, seize the day. And as you can see, market cap hasn't even hit $500 million yet. This is going to be an incredible journey. Anyway, guys, see you later. Seize the day. And make sure to subscribe.